Hello beautiful people, welcome to my makeup channel. Today I just wanted to do like a quick video with you guys. I'm just going to show you my all-time favorite stuff. There's a wide range of things that I'm going to show you, like around 10 to 12 things. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to show you is my palette that I've been loving so much so far. So this is the one that I use in almost all my videos. The BH Cool Shimmer eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks. It has all those gorgeous colors that you would need to create any sort of look. So definitely one of my favorites. The next palette I'm going to talk about is the Makeup Revolution Blush and Contour. It has this assortment of beautiful blushes and two highlighting colors as well. So again, if you guys have been seeing my older videos, then you would have seen me use this a lot. So definitely do love it. I do love all of these things that come in a palette because they are like very pocket friendly and then you do so many different things from just like one palette. So love those. Okay, so the next stuff would be this face powder. I think I did mention this in my recent purchases, I believe, in my makeup haul. This is the one that I use to set my under eye concealer and my, my bridge of my nose and my chin. So I definitely do love this. It's really light on your skin, so it doesn't, get oily and clog up your pores. So I do love this. It's from Nashio and it's a Nashio translucent powder. Okay, so you guys have seen me use this in almost all my videos. So this is the Real Techniques Face Expert brush. I have tried a number of different things when it comes to applying foundation and I just keep coming back to this. I've used a ton of different brushes and sponges and whatnot, but I love this. This is very economical and it's super amazing. It has this really compact bristles and I do love this. The next product I'm going to talk about is a blush. This is the Naughty Nude from Revlon. This also I believe I did talk about in my morning routine on my everyday makeup, but I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is something that I would use every single day. This has a very nude color when it comes to a blush, and when you apply it, it just gives you a very natural glow. So I love this. Okay, this also you might have seen me using a lot. This is the Maybelline gel liner. This is the only gel liner that I have, the only gel liner that I use. I think this might be my third or fourth one of these. I do love this. If you actually are on a lookout for a gel liner, I would definitely suggest investing in this. And it costs like, I don't know, $4.50 I believe. It has a brush with it and you can just use that to apply, and I love this. So this is a lip color that again I've been using a lot recently. So something that I use like almost every single day. I use for my office. I'm going out and don't want to apply something too dramatic, so I do use this. Let me just show you like a quick swatch. This is the shade. It has something very nude and this suits Indian skin tone like a charm. I love this one. Okay, so this is the foundation that I absolutely love. This is the L'Oreal Magic Nude Liquid Powder. I adore this foundation. I mean, it is so light on your skin, but it still gives so much coverage. I do love this one. I don't use it every single day because it's really expensive, and this was for 900 or 1000 I believe. So again, I don't use it every single day, but I do love this, and I use this for like parties and weddings and stuff. So I do love this one. Okay, the next product is also something that you guys might have seen me use a lot. The Revlon Photo Ready Skin Lights. This is one of those products that is very buildable. So basically, if you just want a natural glow, you can just apply this on your cheekbones and be done with it. But if you want some extra glow, then you can also apply like powder on it so that it actually settles and it's much more glowy. I think there are two more colors in this. I'm not too sure. One of them is maybe pink and the other is peachy. So yeah, I love this. Coming to skincare products. So I have like 3 of them that I can show to you guys. This is one of this, the Olay White Radiance Serum. I have actually seen a lot of difference in my skin when I started using this. I haven't really used any of the serum before than this. Yeah, I haven't. So I started using this one and I really did like it. So I would suggest that you guys should try this one. The next product I'm going to talk about is my night cream. Again, I think I mentioned this in my makeup haul, but yeah, this is the Body Shop Tea Tree Blemish Fade Night Lotion. This is how it looks. I've tried a couple of different night creams. I never really liked any of them. I do love this one. I use it every single day, and it's not oily. It makes your skin feel really fresh and rested. I do love this. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is my face wash. This is the VLCC Alpine Mint and Tea Tree Gentle Refreshing Face Wash. This is something that I've been loving. This is my second bottle of this, and what happens is whenever I wash my face with this particular face wash, it feels so cool and very rested, and I do love this one. I actually have seen my spots fade away a little bit, not like too dramatically, but yeah, a little bit by using this face wash. Definitely try some new face washes. I generally go for gel-based face washes because I do have oily skin. So if anyone is out there with a skin like mine, definitely try this face wash. Okay, coming to some fragrances. This is one of the products that I have in my bag 24/7. I love this. This is a Victoria's Secret Coconut Passion Vanilla and Coconut Body Mist. I love this. I mean, I love the smell of coconut, and vanilla is amazing. I do keep this like forever in my bag. I use it like almost every single day. So yeah. The next perfume I'm going to talk about is something I've been using for the past 6 to 7 months, I believe. So it's from Victoria's Secret, and this is the Sexy Little Things Heartbreaker. It's such a cute packaging. Let me just show you that. This is the packaging. Look how adorable that is. And the smell is really great. So definitely go venture out for new perfumes. I tried a couple of different of them, but I do love this one, and definitely do suggest if you're out looking for a new perfume. So, and I also have 2 concealer sticks. I think I talked about these in my haul video. I think concealers don't get better than this. Just look at them. They're almost finished, and they're finished. So I do have some new of them. These were probably like my 3rd time buying these. I haven't invested in any other concealer apart from these. There are 2 separate colors that I use. This is Honey and Puff. So if you're out looking for a good concealer, this is definitely something you need to invest in. So yeah, these were all the products that I wanted to share with you. Definitely my all-time favorites. Definitely something that I see myself using for a very long time. So if you have tried any of these products, please let me know, and just let me know what your reviews were about them. So yeah, so till the next time.